Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.
All right. What up? Donovan, son of Wall Street, what up? Let's see here. Try to get some stuff connected here if I can. All right. Oh, dang it, I missed this entry. I want a short right here. God dang it, it's too late. I wanted a short right here. I was not paying attention. This is a late entry here, but I really liked the short. May have to average into this. We'll see here what we can do. I missed it. I wanted to get in on that close below. If it closed below the body of this candle, I wanted to get in. A little bit of a miss here, but that's okay. A little bit of a late entry. What up, Daz? Donovan, Flint. 30K, I'm probably going to have to go break even here. Let's see. There we go. Good break even. Could really kind of move lower here. ES is at a level of support, though. If it kind of break through there, it'll be all right. Let's see here. Let's target kind of down here, 950. See if we can get that. Really, the safe target here is going to be like 970 to 971.50. But if we get a candle print below 90 here, it could get interesting. All right, I'm trying to get everything set up here still. Okay. Let's go. Got the stop at break even here, so it really doesn't matter. What up, Neo? Candle close below 90 is ideal here. Without that, this thing could just pop. Trying to get my chart set up here, guys. I haven't read the newsletter or anything. So I don't really know what level I'm supposed to be looking for or anything like that. Sometimes you just go with your instinct here. There we go. I'm going to start to trail here. Up 35 points there. I don't really believe there's any reason this shouldn't hit, to be honest, but Gotta lock some in here. Have I got a note of my parents? No. From my parents? No. I could have gotten a note, though. I took my son to get an MRI. He's been having migraines, and they finally got it approved for him to, through the insurance. But even I had told him, I was like, if you guys don't approve it, then I'll just suck it up and pay for it. Because, want to make sure everything's as it should be with my bud, my boy. So, don't like having to go through all the red tape and such. But 'tis what it is. Get on down there. Like this pullback. What up, P-Long? Bang! Let's go. Come onto the chart. Don't even get to mark any levels out. And just take a banger trade right off the rip. That's how it's supposed to be done, I think. I'm not quite sure. Is that what we're supposed to do? Maybe. All right. Now let's read Mancini's newsletter. He's still holding a runner from 74.21. Okay. 73.68 we held. Unfortunately, due to the late day streak, there's nothing to do up here. Readers know. Must be a sell. 53 is below 74.53. I don't want to engage here either, but for those who want to trade, you can try watching for a flush and recover of this level. Reclaim long. We are well above that. Yeah, we're well above that. We're at 82. Price is grinding slowly into this zone. You can just try to buy this. If we're knifing at full speed, nope. Okay. Let's just keep the newsletter open and read it. You missed it, Sovereignty. I don't know if there's any news, Austin. I'm not sure. What up, Punisher? How's it going, Austin? I don't know if I missed any of y'all's comments. Sorry if I did. So basically, I mean, like, we need a flush down to 74.53 at a minimum. Don't know that we're going to get that, but maybe. Okay. We kind of ran this 359 wick here that I was talking to Crystal earlier and talking about how that can kind of be treated as like a data wick because it's so obvious, right? Right at the close of the day. I know she was long somewhere down from down in here, targeting up there, but I don't know. Maybe here. What was that? Like 100 points? Nice. All right, let me check. Close. I want to mark out my close. 995.50. Mark these levels out. We'll take a look at gold too after this, by the way. And then our open, 3,550. $30,000. All right, pushing down here. Let's see what we got. Kind of got... This level here would be your lunchtime low. These levels are insignificant at this moment. Okay. Get a bit of a V shape back up here. Could get interesting. All right. What are we looking like? So $149 off this first trade here. Not bad for 2 micros. ES bouncing off the 82 there. I don't know if this gap up here is valid or not. I have to kind of go to the higher time frame to see, but let's pay attention here. Let's pay attention. Let me go and share this out. Appreciate anybody that used my code on Take Profit Trader. We still have not hit the bonus, but I do appreciate you guys using the code nonetheless. You took YM first payout on Lucid Flex. Let's go. Yeah, they do. Whatever you leave in there, dude's pretty much what's left. But listen, you can rinse and repeat, especially if you got 5 accounts, like even at $500, right? You got 5 accounts, even at $500, it's worth it. So, yeah, so if you were at 51,150, that means you took 500, right? Or 550. So whatever you left in there, like $500. Hey, which is still manageable with a micro, right? Still manageable. I could short here and get 10, 12, 15 points, potentially. Maybe more. Stop would just be up here. 25 points. Guys, if we can bang a trade tonight, if we can bang a trade, we can pass this account. We're $1,945 away from passing. So if we can hit one trade, and we need 2 trades for these two. If we can hit one trade, we'll be there. Let's take a peek at gold right quick. Oof. Gold with the push down. All right, these levels down here still have not been touched. Let's see, I can go 5, I believe. 11 ticks. Let's throw some orders down here. A 1.7. I put it to 1 tick too high there. There it is. 92. 81.3. Boom. All right. You know. Let's see what happened here. First level here bounced 5 points. This level here, 3.5. So you're not getting 5 on some of these levels. You're only getting, I mean, they're all paying 1 at least, which is the good news. At 500 drawdown now, I thought it would be 550. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's not how it is, but that's okay. Let me get this other ninja chart up right quick. I want to, not that one. Hold on one second, guys. I'm trying to pull this other chart up. Where's it at? There it is. I'm going to get it on the 30-second chart. I think I might have just missed an entry. Let's put it on 30 seconds. 30? It's probably not valid anymore now anyway. But yeah, we'll take a look at Take Profit here in a minute. Let's see how many accounts we need to get to the bonus. See what we got. I don't know why that 30-second chart's not coming up. It's taking forever. Let's see here. Oh. Get out of here. Really looking for a deeper pullback. Looks like we sold a couple more maybe. Let's see what we need. We need 14 more sales. Man, can we get 14 sales in a day? I've done it before, but I don't know. It's going to take everybody pulling together to do it. 14 sales in a day. We can do it. You can do it. All right, we got 18 minutes, 17 minutes until the top of the hour. I'm hoping for a pullback, guys. I'm hoping for a deeper pullback here on the ES. Really want to see it down to at least kind of that 50s area. Ideally, the daily low at 74.09. So boom, 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 boom. So yeah, that's what we're waiting on. We'll see kind of what happens. Let's get a little giveaway going for you guys. A little giveaway action. Dildo race will be in the house here soon. You guys love the dildo race. I know you do. There we are. Exclamation point MM in the chat. A little bit of a later stream today. I don't know how long I'll stay on. I am very tired, but I'm here for you guys. We're trying to get some stuff done anyway. Trying to make some money. Just took another little scalp there, by the way. 5 points up to 44. I know. I didn't do it in front of you guys, but, you know, my bad. My bad. That was a short Austin off this order block here and this inside bar on the 5 minute. So we kind of have this inside outside bar on the 5 minute, which is kind of a pine tree setup, right? Inside bar here failed, creating an outside bar. I could take that. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Why not? I don't quite know where the stop goes. 82 maybe. Stop goes somewhere up here, I guess. I mean, really, there's not. Go for a little 1-to-1 here, I guess, about 40 points. No bueno. Not looking good. Wreckage. Back down to 167. Freaking would have long there too. The 1 minute's invalid. Pretty big rejection there. Wow, it just stopped me out. It's rude. Stop me out just to go lower. That's no fun. How you gonna be rude like that? All right, get some music going here. We'll pull Husk up. Just realized he's live. $21 EMA on the 2 minute right here. Also previous day close. Just thinking here. Just thinking. What are you guys thinking? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? I don't know. Let's get comfortable. We've been having some back spasms today. We need actually need to take some medicine. I need to take some medicine. What up, Miss K? We got to get some medicine in us so we can feel better. Top of the hour, 10 minutes. We got to eat our dinner. We got to eat our dinner. Miss K, I'm not a medicine person, so the good shit to me is just ibuprofen. I used to get the good shit, but I mean, I need a deeper pullback here to be able to purchase. I mean, I'm like jonesing for a Mancini setup, but I don't know that we're going to get it. Oh, you hate bills. Do you smoke, Miss K? Is that what you're saying? Oh, you're talking about oh, okay, I got what you're smoking the other stuff. I get what you're saying. I get what you're saying. What up, Ethan? I'm kind of, I might try this 30,000 buy here. I might try a 30,000 buy here. It's dangerous. I'm going to try a little 30,000 buy with a 10-point stop. Push it up. Let's see. Can you guys see that? Is that big enough for you? What up, Francis? Good evening. Is that big enough for you guys? Or should I zoom in a little more? Bink. Up $357 now. Might could grab a couple points short here. ES at a key level. We're at the 21 EMA. We're at the, I don't think that's the VWAP, but could grab a couple points potentially short here. That's perfect. See, I knew it. I knew it. I see you hit your target there, Crystal. All right, I just took the short, by the way. I didn't have time to pull it over. It was too quick. Up $453. We are 5 points slapping this thing around. What up, Adam? Trying to get this builder account rocking. We hit daily loss limit on this yesterday. And then today we were up about $2,400 on it. Taking advantage of the volatility. Everything disappeared. I got to pull it all back up. There we are. Yeah, I think so, Ethan. I think so. 9 p.m.'s coming in. Little volatility coming up in 5 minutes. What's your favorite Pop-Tart? Drop it in the comments. This is a blueberry Pop-Tart. I didn't even heat it up. Raspberry, strawberry. Good choices. You know, the kids nowadays, they all like the chocolate Pop-Tarts. Brown sugar? Mm-hmm. Okay, we just got tagged in on a gold trade. I just heard it. In and out on the gold trades. I should probably take these off, considering I'm going to take those off since we're at the top of the hour. Yeah, brown sugar and cinnamon is good. Strawberries pea long. Gold sinking. Well, we still got the bounce. Ooh, look at that. Right off the next level. Yeah, and eating those in ages. Yeah. I have kids, so I have those kind of things. Look at that bounce right there, though. Missed that one. All right, we're up $497 now. I mean, why is the 30-second chart not coming up? It's not even anything clean on the 30-second chart. I was really hoping for a pullback, but let's see here. What was let me look at this again. 74. Also, all right, here we go. What do we get going on here at 9 o'clock? Do we flush? Do we rip? What do we get? I really don't know. I don't have an idea here. Usually I like to see where liquidity kind of rests. I mean, we could run down below this pretty quickly, but I mean, like, that's not very clean. That is not very clean. Wild deuces think we dip. I don't know, man. I have no idea. I'm going to be honest. I mean, we're right here at the open price, trying to hold it green. For me, could go kind of either way. Well, here we go, top of the hour. Lose 90, probably push lower pretty quickly. I'm going to short right here at 90. Look for 5 quick points. Looking for 5 quick pointers here. All right, got that. We're up 593 now. She nasty. I'm sorry I'm taking those off stream, guys, but that's just a little grab. This looks like it's going down here, obviously. Yes, losing the 92 there. You could take it over here on micros. They're 35 points. Why not? Let's go for it. Let's go for the move lower. I'm in it late, but I'm just in a micro here. It'll be fine. I like the rejection off the 92 there on the ES. If ES gets back above 92, we just get out. No big deal, right? If ES retests 92, then I add. I actually kind of want to target lower, guys. I really want to go for like a big, kind of want to go for like 850. It's kind of what I'm thinking. And then stop to break even really at this low at like 935. Let's do that. And if ES gets back above 92, we just close it. We just get out. If it retests 92, we're going to, we'll add. 968 is a bounce spot. Yeah, I can kind of see you got this bearish or this bullish gap here. It needs to work its way through there. I mean, obviously this is going to hold us up. Let's see if we can't get through there. Just banking off the idea of that last candle kind of being a death candle there. It's not as short. Well, I mean, if it's not, then we get out, you know? That's the beauty. That's the beauty of it. If it's not, we just get out. We're just in a micro, very small size here. Trust me, if we get a death candle here and we close below 950, this thing's going to be out to lunch. It's going to be out to lunch. So a sweep of the low. So if we close below here and then we sweep the low, we will drag our stop down to wherever the candle close is. Potentially. And if ES gets back above 92 with some sort of strength, then we just get out. You know, no big deal. No big deal. Keep it tight. Keep it tight. Woof, woof. We need a maxi. We need a maxi bark. We need that max indicator. Where's it at? Let's see if it can go. EMAs are starting to point down. See if they can cross. See if we can close below this gap. See if we can hold this bearish gap above. That little tiny gap above has not been mitigated yet. I'll say this. I think if we get back below this local low here, I think we're going to get some speed to the downside. So I think if we get back below this low, you're going to see a red rocket candle to the downside. In my opinion, the red rocket. But that's if we get below that low. The red rockets. Where are you at, red rocket? You like the long now? It could be wild. It could be. Like I said, I mean, if we bullish, if we get like a Hulk smash boner candle back up here that closes like right in here, then yeah, then I think it goes. But we're in a spot right here. I'm in late. I'm into the short late here, right? I should have been short, maybe break of 990. So I'm in about 15 points late. And I know that. But below this low here, this thing's really should accelerate. Should accelerate down to the 945 area pretty quick. I see no reason, anything to hold us up here. You got to remember these bullish gaps, these imbalances. A lot of people look at these as like support and resistance, but realistically, the ease that we went through this gap, we can kind of easily get right back through it, right? The ease that we created it. So let's just kind of see what happens. Dun, 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 dun. We got an OB on the 15. Now I want to see acceleration below this 63 here. Acceleration down into like the 45s, somewhere in there. I'd like it to close down there as well, 45, 50 area. Unable to get below the low for now. Pretty decent support so far. I want my $2. There we go. Breaking that low. Can we get some acceleration here? We don't want to see it stall. We want acceleration at this point. And it's definitely not accelerating. She's stalling. Rude. Well, that's not a great sign. Dun, 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 dun. Well, it's bouncing now, Wild. We really want to see this hold now. Thankful for that drop. What up, Coach Fred? Trade is going good, Jonathan. We are slapping her around. We're slapping her on the old bottom side. Probably shouldn't say that stuff when we're in a trade, huh? And we're only risking $60 on. Oh, wait, how much? Like 80, 120 on this trade or something like that. We want to see this next candle really close. It needs to close. Need a candle to close somewhere down in here. I even could add if this candle closed down here. I could add for like 50 ticks. See if we can get a candle close down here. Now, if it hits the low before it closes, then I won't be able to add. Struggling. This is not really giving me a whole lot of confidence with this lack of speed here. Lack of speed. What trade copier do I use? I use Replicanto, Corey. Replicanto. I also use, I do use the trade copier on Quantire as well. I like both of them. I like Replicanto a little better, but they're both serviceable. Man, still cannot get that closed down there. Just can't get it. Cannot get it. Well, let me take a quick look at gold right quick. Oof. Look at gold ripped right through there by 26 points. Holy smokes. I could take the back door off the 81. It already happened though. You would target 943. Yeah, it's not a bad target. You'd be full porting half a micro. Just one half of a micro. Do I have a video on Replicanto? I don't, but it's very simple to use. Like literally, you can use methodical 20 to save 20%. I'll show you in a second. I'm about to, I potentially might get an ad here. Might get an ad. It's so simple to use. Might take an ad in here. Let's see. Close below this line, I'm going to add probably 2 more. Just going for 12, 13 points. Add to my wiener. My wiener. All right, no ad. Probably going to be invalid here. But yeah, Replicanto is so easy to use. Like this is literally what it looks like. You just select your pair, your account that you want to be lead, and then you just click on which ones you want to follow. And that's it. That's how simple it is to use. It's really very simple. So once you import it on Ninja, just click on New, go down to Replica or Flowbots, Replicanto, bam. And that'll open it. Unfortunately, no ad there, guys. No continuation. No ad, no continuation. Very manipulative here tonight as well. Even though ATR is not too crazy, it's 21. It's just manipulating back and forth. You're not getting a single direction move here. I mean, we're getting 10, 15, 20 point bounces. A bunch of bounces. Kind of generating a little liquidity here as well. Starting a little trend line here. Can you copy Apex and BullLinux at the same time? Yes. Well, so Corey, you'd have to have, so since BullLinux is rhythmic, your Apex would have to be trait of 8, right? If they're both rhythmic, then you can use them both on Quantower to do it like that. So you could use Quantower's copy trader to copy trade both. And I do have a video on that. It's winding up. It's doing something. Yeah, for sure. Sovereignty, for sure. It's not wanting to go down, that's for sure, right now. Rude. But if I know anything about overnight trading, one thing that I do know about this time of day trading, you got to just trust your entry. You got to just trust your trade, right? Once it's invalidated, it's invalidated. But until that time, don't move the stop and just chill. So I'm showing a lot of skin in that video. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. I thought there was some, I think there was some forehead in that video. You thought I was going to say foreskin. See, if I'd said foreskin, Coach Fred would have been over there right away. Where's that video? I want to see it. I got to see it. All right. Yeah, no worries, Corey. Well, I would say that this is not a lot of speed on this here move down. We had one speed candle, and then it just kind of died. Just kind of died. I could maybe add here. We'll add here. And again, a stop is just a close above. Close above, we stop out. There's the add in. And we'll know pretty quickly here if this is going to close above or not. Because like if this thing starts digging deep into this gap, that's not going to be a great sign. And again, so there's not that great of a sign, right? Needs to kind of hold below right here. 15-minute order block still in play? Yeah. So not the greatest of closes for me, but let's see what happens. It's kind of lying in the sandish here, 30,000. What up, Discipline Futures Trader? Dun, 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 dun. Is it going to hold? Is it gonna hold? I hate it when it does that. Don't bounce off my entry. Get down there. That's not the reaction we wanted. I could kind of feel that reaction coming too, right? Giving it a little more room. What up, Kyle? How's it going? At the line in the sand here, though. I'm going to just close it here. I'm giving it a little more of a moment for a reason here. If ES does not, it could just rip back lower if ES can kind of reject that 92. So I'm going to give it a little bit more of a room, even though technically this will be a long trigger for me. Let's see if this thing can really just get pumped right back down here. Can knock it back below 90 here, then that could be a good sign. This doesn't close above on this candle and this to put this big wick on here. That's going to be a good sign for the short as well. So let's see. You want to see this candle close weak. Oh, it's not doing it. A weak close, but still closed above. See if this thing can get wrecked here. I do kind of like the speed back through to the upside there, though, honestly. Feel like it is going to probably work. Mm-hmm. Yes, pushed up there to the 91. We can lose the 29,990 here. We might be in business, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. New 5-minute candle here as well. Trade's not invalidated for me until we kind of until ES gets above 92. So that's what I'm trying to hold out here for. Mm-hmm. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, I'm just waiting deuces until it's invalidated. Once it's invalidated, I'll take it off, no problem. And plus, you got to remember, I am working with profit here, so lose this trade, we're still up probably nearly $500. All right, now it's time to take it off. It's invalidated. So finally got above the 92 over there on the ES. Looking like it wants to run now. I could have saved a few dollars and taken it off, but you know, it's just one of those things. Like, it's not that big a deal. Wanted to wait for the ES to kind of close above that 92 to kind of let me know that, you know, that's just not there. It's just not what we planned on it being, so it's okay. We never could just get closed below that line there. Just held it. Hey, 30 joules. Thank you, Disciplined Futures Trader. Oh, no, Wild. You say whatever you want, brother. I'm not one of those people who um is offended at all. Listen, here's the thing. I'm going to trade the way I trade, and I suggest you trade the way you trade. No matter what you think, what you like, what you don't like. You know what I'm saying? Like, you should never I mean, like, I hate people who are offended when somebody in the chat has an opposite opinion of what you're doing or doesn't like the way you trade. Who cares? Like, who cares? I don't care. So I'm not somebody who would ever be offended. So you don't have to worry about that. We got very tough skin. And like I said, I mean, I'm still up. This is that account, right? I'm still up $500. I think I gave back $240 there. So still in good shape. No big deal. Now, if that was like the first trade of the night, yeah, I would have certainly kept like a much tighter rope on that. But since it's not, no big deal. If I lose money, you don't lose money. If Myth gains money, you ain't getting any money. Yeah, that's true. That's right. You trade your way, I trade mine. That's just how it is. No big deal. I'm not here trying to teach you, you know what I mean? I'm not somebody who's like, "Oh, trade this way, trade that way, whatever." No. Trade however you want. Still squeezing though. She's still squeezing. Oh, let me take a peek at gold one more time. Ooh, look at that backdoor action on gold. Man, the backdoor would have worked. We do have another opportunity here on gold, but let's see. I hate it when it has like a wick to the side. Like if this wick wasn't here, this will be a little cleaner, but we'll still take it. Problem is usually when gold dips like this, like it almost doesn't come back, right? I mean, I would not be shocked if gold runs up into that area. So there we go. A little squeeze back up here. Let's see. Yes, pushing up 7,500 here. 7502 next level. Did we hit 7502 earlier today? I'm going to take a look at that in a minute. Did we? I think we might have, but I have to take a look. I'm not sure. Let me take a quick peek. Oh, we did. Interesting. I was curious about that for a reason. This is 7505 is kind of the level earlier today where we kind of rejected off of. Got to start cleaning up about the close, Tony. Get over there. Start cleaning up. Come on. Trev, previous day's closed, 30,052. Yeah, I got that. I see the high up there as well, 69. If you can win it, we might shotgun it, Tony, but yeah, if you win it, sure. Yes, pulling back there, 74.98. New candle here in 45 seconds on the 5-minute. All right, Tony, appreciate you. I mean, are we in a spot? Is this where it's going to just turn back down? It might. I don't know. What up, Smokey? Yes, pulling back pretty hefty here, too. Oh, just 4 or 5 points, actually, but still. Non-EMA down there at 33. Going good, Smokey Bear. How about you? I'm going to try a little long here on my Trader's Launch account, I think, here in just a moment. Do I try it here? Trying to decide if I want to try it here. I don't know, Adam. I'm going to see here. Boom, 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 boom. I might try it one. I'm going to see here. I haven't decided yet. What? I'm going to try it here. Look where they run back up into 57. Practicing guitar. Let's go. Yeah, it's been going good. I'm going to go stop to break even and we get back above 40, or I'll lock some in, actually. I had an order sitting at 12, by the way, for a long, and it missed it. New 5-minute candle here. Again, above 40, I'm going to drop the stop. Might even lock some in. Let's rip it. Did you guys smash the likes? Come on, guys. Let's get above 40 so I can drop the stop. Come on, bro. Give it to me. You know you want to. There we go. Now should we squeeze? We should go now. Squeeze that thing up there. Let's go. Squeeze it to me. Squeeze it up there. I'm locking in 10 here. Got a flat top on that 5-minute candle in the NQ. I know MNQ has a wick on it, but NQ does not. At 57. Give it to me, baby. Max is flopping. She's going slowly but surely. Oh, come on. I didn't drop the stop yet, guys. I mean, I've got it dropped at plus 10, but like, it's annoying because I know it's going to go. I'm moving it up more. Yeah, discipline is an eval. Traders launch eval. You can only make $800 a day or something like that on these. So, new 15-minute candle coming up in about 45 seconds here. Can we break through the daily close? I don't know. Maybe. Looks like we could. We still got a gap above that can be filled there. This will take me out of the trade at $800, I believe. So we got another 10 points, 63. Maybe. Yeah, Traders Launch. They're not new. They're newer, but they've been, they're not new. But yeah, they got 30% off on the July 4th sale right now using code MM. Daily payouts. You guys know the deal. Excuse me. Come on, get through there. All right, new candle. Going good, Costa. We're up like 650 on a Bulin or My Funded Futures account, and then we're in this trade here on Traders Launch. Oh, you got to be kidding me! And don't be scared, guys. If it pushes up here and you see droop, and it automatically takes me out, that just means we hit the profit that we can make in today's. If it does, thank you, Ethan. But might get stopped out here, unfortunately. I guess we should have taken our profits. Womp, womp, womp. No? No? Okay. Bounce it for me. Don't be rude. Don't be rude. It's rude. It's rude. It's very rude. Oh. Very rude. Very rude. I mean, come on, man. What's it doing? Made some oopsies. Uh-oh. How did we not run that? It's insane to me. How did we not run that? I don't know. It's crazy. That's insanity. I don't know how we didn't run it. 5-minute outside buy. Nope. Is it? There's an inside buy. It's not an outside buy. I mean, we left equal highs up there on the 5-minute. Need what, 20 points from there? No. 20 points total. Jump back in as you do. You're in the red. Uh-oh. All right, let's go. So I was trying to do a minute ago, but so day one in the books on that account, 804. Actually, I was break even the day on it, so 804 in the books. Let's go. Lego. Guys, we never ran the high of that candle. And yeah, it left a flat top there as well. So does it take it out? I don't know, but it seems like it might. Seems like it might. We got 10 minutes until 10 o'clock, so let's see what gold's been doing over here. Oof. Oofka. Man, you know what? I might switch over here. Can I get GC up on gold let's get, I don't know if I can trade MGC on it. Can I? I don't know if we can on Bewley. Oh, you can. Okay. $165. We'll see. Let's do this. Let's do it like this. 31. There we go. Ralph Wiggum from good old Atlas days. Who's that? Man, this thing should... the problem is, like, I think it's going to take out 30,057, 25, but, like, how's it get there, though? I mean, I guess if it breaks above 50, I'm going to try it. There's no real setup here unless it comes back down and retests the 30,020 again. But if it pushes up and it breaks above 50, then I think it just wicks straight through there. Maybe just wicks straight through there. You're having a beer ICT breaker. Let's go. What kind of account am I giving away? A free one. Might get 10 o'clock action. Yeah. It's going to be, I think it's going to be an Apex. It might be a Lucid Flex. I'm not sure. Not really sure yet. At minimum, an Apex, though. Trev's over there. He's got the crack fired up. He's got the pipe fired up. He loves him some crack. And by crack, I mean butt crack. Butt crack. The stories you hear tilt you. I don't know. I haven't had any problems with them. You're going to start a YouTube channel, Cracked Out Trader. Let's go. The only thing I'm not a fan of is, like the whole, how they're handling the live account thing. But I mean, like, I've not had a negative experience with them myself, but you know what they say, your mileage may vary. Could be different for you. So beggars can't be choosies. That's right. Definitely kind of bull flagging here on the 5. All right, let's see if we get this pushed through. I'm going to be long at 50 for looking for 57. Did not pop through there. New 5-minute candle coming up in 5 seconds. Let's see. Does it get going? Yeah, if your channel picking things out of the carpet. Hey, you got to keep place clean. Got to keep a clean house. You guys want to watch this trade over here? It could be our RIP to this account. I think I've only got $300 in drawdown. Not sure which trade I like better. If it pulls down, if it pulls back to the 20s, I wouldn't mind taking it down there, to be honest. All right, you guys let me know what happens, okay? I'm gonna close my eyes. And all right, guys, let me know what happens. Oh, it's gotta go, it's gotta go. I can't see. It's gotta go. It's gotta go. I don't hear nothing yet. Oh no. It's gonna end bad. I can feel it. It's gonna end bad. Oh no. Oh. Come on, what is it doing? Really? Really? Getting up there and then not going? Come on. Get up there. Go. Yeah, I only got like 300 bucks in drawdown on this account, so it's got to go. How is it not spiking through there? That's my thing. Like, you got equal highs up here. Pop through there. Just past 225K. Traded fire growths. Let's go. How does it hit my stop loss if I don't have it? Well, we have a drawdown limit, or, you know, it will hit the drawdown. So there you go. Not looking plentiful right now. I mean, I don't see a real reason for it not to go. Obviously, that's why I entered there. But the fact that it still didn't hit is concerning. Back above this wick here, I am going to put the stop in break even. Let's zoom in so we can see it. We can't miss it. If we zoom in this close, we can't miss it. We cannot miss it. So back above the wick, we're going to drop the stop to break even. And when I say break even, I mean break even. At least it will give you a reason to pass poor trading. Oh, we do have the top of the hour in a minute too. Down Leviticus Meridius. No, up. We're looking for up, Trev, not down. Up Leviticus. All those things. Oh no. Rip it! Rip it! Rip it! Man, I never knew I'd be begging for like 4 points. Stops in. You gotta be kidding me, guys. You gotta be kidding me. How did that not hit? Holy smokes. I guess I should have taken it at the equal high and not the flat top candle. Oh well. We gave it the old college try. It's like a food baby you're trying to squeeze out in the bathroom. Oh my goodness, man. Look at that. That was rude. How's it going to do me that way? How's it going to do me dirty like that? It was literally, what, 2 ticks away? The high on that candle is 56.75. I was looking for 57.25. 2 ticks. Now 5-minute outside bar. Yeah. But there's not, it's not inside outside there. Yeah. Do we bounce off the 23s again? I don't know. And Tim, that might have cost me some of my drawdown too, now that I think about it. Because this is an intraday trailing account, and we did go up. I don't even know how much we went up there. One half past eval, one blown. I guess I should have locked some in there. What do I do here? Do I just save this account for tomorrow? How do I know how much drawdown I have in it? 532 is the liquidation. Yeah, I still got about 275. I want to look at something right quick though. Let me look at one thing right quick. Let's see here. All right, it's got a little 5-point winner on it. Treff over here blocking. Is Treff over here Treff Treff is over here blocking people again. Oh goodness. DS the gold trade's probably just sitting there. I haven't heard anything on it yet. So yeah. Treff over here blocking people again. Look at him. Now I got to go into the lab, Treff, and unblock him. He was doing karaoke. Oh, let me go in here now and unblock him. Who is it? Ethan said, "What did I do wrong? Why am I blocked? What did I do wrong?" Blocking karaoke. That's right. All right, let's see. How do I find out? I got to remember where the unblock thing is. Hold on, let me find it. This is not it. Let me find it. Hold on one second. That's not it. Is it in here somewhere? I think it's in here. Okay, let's see here. I can never remember where that is. Oh, Ethan's there. No, he's not blocked. Oh, okay, good. Maybe it was just put in. Oh, you just deleted the message. Okay, you didn't block him. Good, good. Good, 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 good. Because it hates me. It's hard for me to find that. You are the brightest. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not even watching NQ here. You're the very brightest. Gramps is still awake. Get out of here, Jason. I'm over here slaying the market, and you're over here making fun of me, calling me a Gramps. I sent Jason a sweet text the other night. I said, "I love you, man." And he ignored me. You guys believe that shit? You guys believe that? Long one MGC from 39.81. Great job. You guys believe that? All right, I'm a long here, guys. I'm longing. I'm going to go for a bigger trade. Stop at the bottom of the wick on the account with $300 in drawdown. Stop may not matter ultimately. May not matter. I'll have to keep a tight rein on this, so we'll go stop to break even at 30. I'm probably red. No, I'm not red. Plus 200. Let's go, Ethan. You tell that to your wife, she ignores you too. What about trades? I got to be very tight with this because drawdown. Yeah, I can't really let it go red, unfortunately. I was hoping it would just go. I probably should just be scalping this for like 5 points. That's what I probably should be doing. Oof. Let's see what happens with gold, guys. 75.6. All right, see if we can get a few points on gold here. Come on. Tagged in. Tagged out. I was chopping it up. Wait, it didn't tag me into all my position? Rude. Rude. Gold and I was chopping it up. Did I lose money there? Weird. I'm tempted to try a scalp long here. Well, might be a little late. Yeah, we got a new candle coming up in a minute. We're going to wait. USA 98 Fintivo. Okay. Holding the WeWop for now. Holding the WeWop. 5-minute candle closure here. All right. Yeah. I think I might be tagged in on the gold too. I'll bounce it. We're going for a little more than 1 point on this one. We're going for 3. And that's not a bounce. There you go, RIP. I guess that probably was a bad idea considering we only had like 3 points of drawdown. Now that I think about it. What up, Sally? Probably not the greatest of ideas, but hey, you know, it's an idea. It gave me the 1.2. That's the sad thing. It gave the 1 point, but I was greedy. I wanted 3. Yes, just holding that 92 level over and over and over. Like, I guess it pulled back to 82 earlier, almost. What, at 833? Just not pulling back deep enough for anything I can buy. Trading's all right, Sally. We just RIP'd an account we had 300 in drawdown in. Yeah, probably not the greatest idea to go. I probably should have just went 3 or 4 micros. This level's gonna probably work. I don't know. When I was putting the level on, when I was putting it on there, I really wasn't thinking about the sizing. I was in 10, which is basically a mini. And if you only got 300 in drawdown, it makes it tough, right? Pretty sure this still works. It did give the 1 point right away. Greed is good sometimes. Gold short still looking great. Yeah, it could be. I don't short gold though. I like to long. No, I was trading a mini. I was on micros, but basically using a mini though. Tough, tough, tough. Davies. Kind of an interesting spot here on the 5-minute. Might could grab some points off the 30,000 level. Let's see here. I don't think it's a horrible idea. It's a full moon. That's probably the problem. I might take another stab here, guys. Explains your water retention. I'm going to try a little long here. Could have probably waited for a little bit of a deeper retracement, maybe to the 990. If it doesn't hold 90, I may just get out. We'll see. We are longing below the VWAP, but the idea is this is just a trap. It's kind of the idea. But if it loses the 90, we'll just get out. Well, our stop's down there at 88 anyway, so. Might give it a little more points. Sally thinks 970, 950 could be. Smoke, I took some gold trades. I did. And here's the thing. This might be where you might see me flip short. Because if this breaks this level, we're probably going to go down to the 60. Needs to hold right here. I'm going to go ahead and add. If it doesn't hold right here, then you might just see me flip short. All right, I'm taking it off. I'm going to take it off right there. Just, yeah, breaking on the 5-minute. 963, pretty good target, looking like. Oh, you did other stuff? 972 needs to hold. It might. It's too late. I just had to get out of that there because it was just ripping through it. Let's see if the 5 minute closes below 990. That would be kind of the line in the sand. Okay, okay, okay. Kind of hold below 92 here on the ES again. Is it finally going to give the short? Oof. Kind of a bullish reaction here. I might have just been like one or two candles too soon. Let's see. I want to see the 5 minute close below 990. We got a minute and 20 seconds. It could be a trap. Yeah, it could be. Is this rip right back up, guys? Look at that thing. Did it run that wick right there? It did. Oof. Yeah, it's looking like it's this might be that push back up. Let's see. But I have to hold below that 30K level. Well, 30,010, I guess. I feel like deja vu, like we were in the same spot before. And it ended up just trapping. Got 20 seconds on this 5 minute candle and does not look like it wants to close below. It doesn't. Am I going to try the long again? Probably not, but still, it's interesting that this is literally like the same spot we were at before. Oh, we still got 30 seconds left on this candle. Not a great close there on the 1 minute. Still got a minute on the 2 minute though. Man, if this thing loses the 90, if it kind of loses the 90 here, I don't know, man. It's still a tricky spot. So tricky. 20 seconds. All right, yes, back to 92 here. If it pops it, it's just going to go. Yes, back above 92. Ripping up here. Can it squeeze through? If you took the long here, it looks like the break even's up there at like 32. $32 maybe. Can it squeeze it into the 32? Maybe. All right, there comes the 30. Punisher said, rip it. Remember 30,057 and a quarter, guys. We got that level up there still. Jesse Zimmer says, go long now, bro. No effing around. Go long. All right, Jesse. We hear you. Post 30-30, it's still short. I agree. Above 40, we go long. I like to squeeze. We just got a new 5-minute too. I like to squeeze into 57 potentially. That's kind of what I was looking for earlier. But who knows? Who knows if it does it? I don't know. Squeeze that thing up there. Let's go. Think if we get above, man, if we can get above, yeah, kind of like 40. Get above there, we can just go. But so far, just not willing to do it. Oh, nice little pullback there. I think that next shove, maybe above 40 here, kind of gets us the squeeze going, but let's see. Jesse, calm down, bro. We get it, Jesse. Stinky vagina. The stinky V. I had to. I had to. Oh. Miss K said, mod me, I'll calm him down. Oh, goodness. Man, I know this thing's going to the 56. That's the thing. It's like, I know it's going there. Just get up there already. Come on, man. Just go. Like, what are we doing? Why are you yanking me around? Just get up there. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's going to go to 56. Kind of bull flagging. Can it go? I don't know. Where's the Hulk Smash boner candle when you need it? The Hulk Smash boner candle. Let's go. Man, it feels like if we break 40 here, it just runs. Come on, break it. Come on, give me green. Go. Come on, run it. Bam. Ripping now. I like 56 here, 57. Man, come on. Where's the doggy? He's over there chilling. He's chilling. How did it not get through there? Come on, man. Oh, we shall see 63. I mean, I think so, right? It's crazy that it just did not get through there. All right, back above 40. We'll look to jump in again, I guess. Playing with my nerves. It's like playing with my emotions. Big resistance. We break 56, 57. I mean, you could see a big candle there. It's kind of rejecting a little bit on the harder side here, but I don't really see a reason. I mean, we did push up into a little gap there. It's the full moon's fault. It could be. It could be. Oh, come on. Try and get my order down. All right, go order in at 40. Well, 39.50 technically. Try to push to the back into the 50, and I'm going to hold a runner up to that 60 area. 57, actually. Retesting 30. Yeah, just push down. New 5-minute candle here. See if that kind of burst us up here off that 21 EMA. Holding the 21 EMA on the 5. Hell, I could just enter here. 23. See if it bounces off that. Those EMAs there again. I moved my order down to 31. Be more aggressive. I'm tagged in. We need 41 and a quarter on a squeeze up, and then we'll hold a runner. Holland just scored. Going pretty good, Bo. Going all right. We've got more payouts than we've spent, so not by a ton amount. We're certainly not doing as well as we'd like, but can't complain about being in the green, right? No, I'm not watching soccer. Not watching soccer tonight. I need 41 here. Squeezing a 41 and a quota. And yeah, we'll be all right with it. I'm not asking for much here. Just $1 million. No, wait, what's it called? $2 million and something. I don't remember what the exact saying is there. An 8-ball and $2 million. That's what it is. Yeah, for sure, Bo. It's been very tough. Very tough. Come on, squeeze this thing up. I moved my target up to 50, by the way. Chris, I'll check in a minute. Come on, let's go. Rip it up. Come on. You can do it. Yeah, we want to push up now, for sure. I don't know if it's going to listen to me. Gets back above 35. I'm just going to drop the stop to break even, and whatever happens, happens. Close. Longer it's holding, we'll push up. But if we close below on the 5-minute, we go south. Yeah. Still holding that EMA there. I just, man, like, come on. I'm not in light size here, so I'm in very heavy. No, Bonzi, no. Come on, man. Just go. Super consolidation here. I probably should just take the 10 points if I get it, but I can pass this account, I think, if it gets to 50. So it's kind of what I'm trying to do. Sally, we're doing a giveaway. Free account giveaway, exclamation point MM in the chat. It's going to get you into the giveaway. No! All right. Kind of annoying here. Hey, trading, A-class. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscriptions. You demand. I don't know, Ponzi. I guess they are. Tough here. It's just not going. I mean, I had like, I don't know what, 5 points. Trying to be a little greedy here. Might end up costing me. Testing the 23s. "15 minutes is the enemy." We need it to be the frenemy. The friends. No, I didn't call a shotgun. Not yet. All right, ES back to 92. Testing the 21 EMA here again. Need the bulls to come in here now, otherwise done. Man, how does it not run that 57? I mean, I know it's a lot of resistance up there, but once we get through it, it's going to be there's going to be a big candle. I know it. Just got to get through it. Yeah, Sally, we are. All right, bottom of the range here. Gotta go now if we're gonna go. Gots to go. Got to get that squeeze going. Rip it. What are we talking about, Bonzi? Just pressing the button, you know, Jack. That's all. Just streaming, pressing the button. Doing what I do. Doing what I do. Oh, I just noticed something. Looky out below. You're probably not wrong. Maybe. Maybe you're not wrong. I don't know. You might be, though. Man, if we get back above 30 here, we could squeeze. That's what we're still looking for. Man, I'm on here way later than I wanted to when I was originally planning to be. Yeah, Lino for sure. Low volume. Below 30. I need you to be wrong, Sally. I need to get back above 30 and squeeze. Really just chopping, let's be honest. do I just, I don't know, man. The thing is, like, I'm trying to pass an account here, right? I don't even think I need that much, though. I don't even know what I need. There's the portage. There's the portage, guys. I mean, I could just take like, I could just take like here and it'd be fine. But I believe it's going to squeeze. Let's just go, we'll go like 45. And what I'll do is I'll go break even above 36.50 and whatever happens, happens. So at least give me 36.50. Let me get break even and whatever happens, happens. Squeeze it. All right. There you go. Little full port action. A little full portage. Turn your head if you don't like the full port action. I think this thing continues up. Trap the longs now. Methodical idiot with no real plan. Exactly. Let's see here. Dr. Doom, I appreciate you getting my chat rate up. And thank you for the subscription just to come in here and talk shit. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to do the giveaway in just a couple minutes, guys. Hold on one second. I'm looking for something. Looking for it. Got it. Oh, I don't ban anybody, DS. I don't ban anybody. He's welcome to come here and say whatever he wants. I don't care. Hey, he's supporting the channel, right? He's getting the chat rate up. He's hit the subscribe button. He probably hit the unlike button, which guess what? Still helps the channel. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, I don't care. I'm telling you guys, like, you just don't understand. Like, I don't care, right? Oh yeah, sorry. I forgot, Chris. You asked me how far away we were. I forgot. Let me find out. Looks like it's 14 away. 14. Let's go, Chris. Nice job. All right, guys. I think I'm going to run a shotgun here. What do you guys think? Shotgun's the action? I think so. All right, so if you're not familiar with the shotgun, guys, I'm going to restart the giveaway. Exclamation point MM in the chat if you want to enter the giveaway. Going to either be a Lucid or an Apex account. 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute. Go, Morocco. I saw the Congo playing earlier. All right, guys, on your marks, get set, go. One minute, guys. $25 seconds. $10 seconds. All right, guys, no longer enter the giveaway here. Let's see if we can't. Let's pick. Let's pick some winners here. Or not winners, but participants. Participants. Let's get some race participants going here. 10 of you will participate in the race. King Edmonds. Holy cow, King Edmonds, man. You're a lucky man. You were in there all the time. Vivian Futures, welcome to the dildo race. NQ Master. Let's see. Yeah, trades. Daz Daz. Isietel. Convergence Master. J Trades. Pumpkin Gone Wild. Let's go. Marco Polio. You didn't win. You're entered into the race. Can I make it real size? This is life size. This is life size. Life size. Let's see here. Hold on 1 second. Let's scroll back up one more time. Where's this guy at? Oh, well, let me go no more. Okay, never mind. Yeah. You want it smaller. All right, guys, are you ready? On your marks, get set. Go! Marco Polo out to the early lead there. King Edmund's not going to be outdone. He's going to push forward too. Who's going to finish her first? Let's go. Daz Daz thinks he's the winner. I don't know. King Edmonds is out to the lead here. He's not dicking around. Who's finished last wins? Uh-oh. Those are going to be some sore balls. Looks like it. Man, so it's not the light pink this time, but it is King Edmonds won yesterday, I believe. I think King Edmonds won yesterday. They're running from the black light. All right, congratulations. King Edmonds, congratulations. I got a Lucid 50K. I assume that's probably what you want. Or do you want an Apex account? What do you want? What is your fancy? Also, we need to know, do you qualify, King Edmonds? Do you qualify? Send me an email. Just send it in the same email. Well, actually, you don't even have to do it. I can just respond to that one. You're good. Vivian was so close. Dang it. What happened? All right, guys. Well, let's see here. We got 10 seconds to the top of the hour. Let's just see. DS, I'm not shorting. I still think we run to 57. I could be completely wrong, but I mean, I'd like a pullback. I'd like a pullback to long. You haven't been able to get on the balls race yet? Well, I mean, hey, you know, got to grow up here. I know what to tell you. I mean, here's the thing. If you're going long, like this is kind of the area to do it, right? Bottom of the range on the 5 minute, but it does look like it's trying to break 63, kind of that next, no wait, 998 would be the next level down there. That's only 15 points away. Man, did we hit that? You got a lot to break through there. I mean, it looks like we might hit it, but man, goodness. Miss K hasn't won. Listen, I try my best to be fair. I try my best. Back above 325, I might stab long one last time. Might. First 5 people in the stream should automatically be entered. Oh. Well, you're never here, Jack, so it's fine. Ponzi said crash helmet time. You're never here, Jack. What are you doing up? What are you doing up, Jack? Jack should be in the bed. He's too young to be up at 11 p.m. Oh. You need a reason? Oh. I was thinking about, oh, okay, thanks, King Edmonds. Locked yourself out. Let's go. Man, I don't know, man. This is an interesting spot. Tricky spot, but I mean, back above 25, I think we could consider along there. Is a little tricky. I almost lean towards we probably hold below there, but every time I've tried to short tonight, it's not worked out all that well, right? We shorted here, covered there. We shorted, this short worked, but we shorted here. We added there, shorted here, added there, covered there. Yeah. Shorted here, covered there. So yeah, not really great timing on the shorts this tonight. He bought the Lifetime Elite. Interesting. 1,500 bucks. Woof. Up 3,400 bucks. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's great. That's a great night. I may take one more shot at this. We'll see. I probably should just walk away, but we might give it one more try. See if ES, does it trap the 92 again, or it finally turn into a rejection area? Hey, green's green. Yeah, I'd rather be short north of the VWAP though if we're gonna, if we're gonna get short. Give me some room to get 10 points or something. All right, there's 24. See if ES gets above 92 here. $20 seconds. I'm going to see the reaction here. I'm not just going to buy the first test. $144 tick. Nice. All right, I'm in, guys. I'm going to take the long here. Just look for 10 quick points if we can get it. Didn't wait for the ES to kind of close above 92, but I feel like it will. There we go. Oh, you have a 30-day money-back guarantee. Nice. See if we finally get the 57 here. Pretty good advantage of scalping on ticks. 1 minute chart works great. Nice. I don't use the news, so I mean, I don't know if it's that much of an advantage to me, but like, I could see how it could be. Let's see if this thing can just run right into the 56s. If we get back above 40 here, I think we squeeze. Kind of back above this wick here, 42s, 43 area. I could risk. Could just risk down to here. What is that? 16 points? Yeah, 15 points. Holding the VWAP there. Need ES to hold above 92 here, really. I could add here, theoretically. With just a 15-point stop. If you guys haven't already hit the like button for me, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Guys, I am trying to get to the 150K free account giveaways on Take Profit Trader. I need about 14 more sales. Use code MM. If we get 14 more sales, we'll do the 350K account giveaway. See if this thing can squeeze. Get the continuation here. That'd be nice. I really need it to expand above this high here at 43. Got a lot of resistance here. Been knocked down 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 times. We need a decent sized candle through this. We want to see weakness here. We don't want to see weakness. And there you go. That's not really the reaction we want off that level. It's not really the reaction you want there. I don't know if I want to push the button more here. I mean, if we can hit the target up here, I'd be okay with that profit. You ain't going to go to the Mars and you've done been to the dark side of the moon? Oh, you've been listening to the radio? I don't know, man. I'm tempted to add here. See if it squeezes right back up into there. Push chips to the center of the table. All in. Nah. 32. I'm really just... I'm going to take some of this off once I see we're up like 50, 60 bucks. I'll take it off. And back above this high, I'm going to go ahead and go break even on this. Oh, you're already, you're locked out. Exactly. Nothing wrong with that. I don't like the rejection here. I really Man, it just needs to get above 43 with some strength. Pop into that 57. I mean, you got, there's not equal highs there anymore because they were taken out by by just a tick on the NQ. But you still got a flat bottom, flat body candle up there, 57 and a quarter on the 5. Oh, you used code MM? Let's go. Jim, you the man. Need some expansion here, guys. Move quick. There we go. Targeting these relative equal highs up here. Come on. Have to move it back. Is this thing going to go, guys? I just realized how close I am to passing this account. Man, I would have been annoyed. I kind of full ported earlier on this account. Had I blown this account, I think I would have been pissed off. Why did I full port this account? I have no idea. Yeah, we're about to be out of here. Can't stop eating this ice cream. And it's melting fast. I think we could get a big candle above 57 here, guys. I'm going to do this, and what I'm going to do basically is we'll throw a line right there, and once we hit that line, once we kind of hit this line, I'll start trailing aggressively. The idea that if we break that line, I think we get a bigger candle. I think I can market cover and maybe get some extra points or even trail tight. All right, here we go. Here we go. I think we get a bigger candle through that. I really do. I mean, we could reject right here as well, but I think we pop these highs, so we get a big candle right through there. So If we can pop it, we can get a bigger candle here, but I don't know. If it rejects right here, that's not going to be a good sign, obviously. But it could pop here and just expand higher. Pop it. We get through here. Should see a bigger candle. Don't want to see it stall here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's close above there. Close above there. Let's go. Keep it going. Nice strong candle here. 40 seconds left on this candle. Might reject here. If we can close above here, the idea, you know, little resistance turn into support here. Let's see. I think I'm going to put my stop down at 50. Might get stopped out. Zimbabwe, Mega, USA. Wow. Back in the range, I'm not, it needed to stay above there. Needed to kind of close above with some strength. Didn't really do that, so I'll probably get stopped here, but that's okay. We tried it. I think it was worth a try. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We made $800 on the Traders Launch account. We lost the Buellanox account. We only had $300 in drawdown in. And my funded futures were up $600. And this account that you guys just saw me trade, we are down 40 cents. There you go. No Mancini trade tonight. Levels just didn't hit. So do appreciate you guys watching. I'll be back tomorrow morning about 9:15 a.m. and we'll see you guys then.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty gal, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours.